Hey, stock and options traders, welcome back to the channel where your success is my top priority. If you don't already know, my name is Karl Domm, and I am the only instructor on YouTube that has shared my P&L with my daily balance since August of 2019, which includes every market environment, a bull, sideways, grind down, and a crash market. No one else has shown their real P&L on YouTube in all market environments. In this video, I'll be taking you on a journey through my trading accounts, showcasing my actual P&L or net liquidation for the month of March 2024. And for over 30 years, I've been mastering the art of online stock and options trading, and now I want to share my expertise with you. If you're here to learn and want to determine the worth of a stock or options course, then make sure you hit the subscribe button. My goal is to revolutionize this industry and bring transparency to the forefront. I believe that if an instructor makes promises when selling a course, they should prove their credibility by sharing their account P&L. And so far, I believe I've influenced one or two others to share their P&L. Now, not only that, but share the volatility of their account's P&L. It's important to understand how much the account value fluctuates, which means how much did the account value move up or down. If your account made a 20% return, but it was down 60% at one point, then the 20% return is not a good return on risk. Sharing the P&L volatility is important because the real truth lies in risk-adjusted returns. That's why I share my real P&L of my daily moves of my accounts so you can see real results for yourself. And I wouldn't buy a course from someone that doesn't share their P&L, and I hope you feel the same way. And that's why I'm proud to say that in this video, I will be taking you through my real P&L for the month of March 2024. So let's get started. Are you ready for some real trading results? Now, I've got 4 separate accounts, and I'm eager to share the results with you. But before we dive into the numbers, let's take a quick look at what the market did in March of 2024. And this will give us a better understanding of the challenges my system faced over the last month. As a premium selling options trader, I categorize market moves into 4 types. Number 1, the rising bull. Number 2, sideways market. Number 3, the grind down market. And number 4, the crash market. So let's get into what the market did in March of 2024. This current bull market rally started in November. You can see here just straight up at a 45-degree angle. And if you look back and when that happened the last time, we can go back to 2017 where we had a similar market here. There's some pullbacks here in 2017. There was just a couple 3% pullbacks in 2017. And here in this particular run over the last 5 months, we've had one just 2% pullback. So we're seeing a very similar market in the last 5 months when you compare it to 2017. Let's get into a little more detail here. So we had from the end of last month right here to the end of March, so the beginning of March to the end of March, we look like we had about just over a 3% run, a bull run in the month of March with really no significant pullbacks once again. So that's just the type of market we're in right now, which is obviously a bull market. Now for traditional premium sellers or level 4 traders, it was an okay month for them. There wasn't a lot of premium to get picked up, to sell and collect a high amount of premium. But let's look at the VIX. You can see the VIX ended here, or the beginning of the month around 13.5, went up as high as 16, and we ended around 13. So not a lot of volatility and not a lot of premium to pick up for those premium sellers, those level 4 traders or premium sellers. And if you did sell premium, you really didn't get hurt. If you had some good theta, you probably collected on that theta because the volatility didn't make those options go higher in price enough, significantly enough to where you would lose money. So level 4 traders did quite well, probably over this month, collected a little bit of theta there. So overall, for March of 2024, we saw a bull run without much volatility, which is what we've seen consistently now for the last 5 months. The truth is, the market's direction is unpredictable. It can go up, or it can go down, or even sideways. And that's why it's always a good idea to have a non-directional system in your portfolio so you can eventually be profitable no matter which way the market moves. Welcome to the world of level 5 trading, where the rules are set in stone and the profitability is proven. My proprietary trading systems are designed to make money no matter the market environment, and they are the only ones of their kind. With a focus on level 5 trading, you can bypass all the lower levels 1 through 4 and go straight to the top level without having to spend years learning and mastering lower level systems. But don't just take my word for it. I've taken over 30 online stock and options courses from YouTube instructors, and not one of them offered a level 5 trading system. In fact, I've yet to see proof that a level 1, 2, 3, or 4 trading system is consistently profitable in all 4 market environments. So if you're looking for the real deal, you've come to the right place. So join me here on this journey and witness the power of level 5 trading for yourself. And if you come across any other instructors who share their P&L, be sure to let me know in the comments below. I'm always looking for instructors with real results and real portfolio P&L being shown. And I'm not talking about spreadsheets. So you ready to see my P&L for March of 2024? Let's go ahead and dive in. Next, I'm going to get into my 4 separate trading accounts. I trade 4 accounts live here on YouTube to demonstrate that it is possible for anyone, no matter your account size, to safely outperform the market if you employ 100% mechanical, black and white, non-directional strategies. When I reference safely, I need to clarify that I do have one higher risk strategy, and that is called the earnings edge. Now, the first account I trade live here on YouTube is my account that I started with in January 2024 with $300,000, where I employ portfolio margin. And my goal with this account is to control drawdowns at all costs and safely protect and grow my capital. So here's the P&L for my larger account. Okay, looking at my larger account where I really haven't defined the name of the trades that I'm doing. I mean, I know the names of them, but I'm not really ready to get that out yet. I'm just working on a couple things. So on this particular account, we can see that I started with 298, 195 at the beginning of the month. And you can see what happened here. Kind of went up, almost, got up to 302,000. But then, once the market started going up, and again, it's kind of took the volatility out of the market a little bit. Now I'm down to 293,070. Okay, so let's do some math here. It started at 298, 195. I ended with 293,070. So down about $5,100. And let's divide that out, see what that is on a percentage basis. 298, 195. So down about 1.7%, 1.71, 1.72% for the month of March for my larger account. The second account I trade is the account I started with $30,000. This account employs span margin as opposed to portfolio margin, and I trade the account primarily for demonstration purposes and to showcase that my Premier Level 5 strategy is possible even if you don't have $100,000 plus in capital. The Premier Level 5 strategy has been back tested to show roughly make around 2 times the market returns with around 1/3 the account volatility. After designing various systems for over 30 years, I finally developed this system in 2022 as a culmination of my efforts. So here's the Premier Level 5 trading results for March 2024. Okay, for my Premier Level 5 account, you can see again that this is never accurate. That's obviously not what happened throughout the month. All I can do is really just take the current balance here and the last balance. So the beginning of the month balance was 33,824, 33,824, and I ended at 33,702. And down $122 divided by 33,824. And you can see down not even 0.5%. So down about 0.36%, basically break even. So I had a break even month for the PL5 with the market going up 3% with no volatility. So when there's a bull market with a PL5, I need some volatility and I can make money. Or if there's no volatility and there is a bull market, pretty much, break even, or I'm down a little bit sometimes. And that's the PL5 for March of 2024. The Premier Level 5 system is designed to capitalize on all market types. And looking back since I started trading it live, showing my account with 100% transparency on monthly results since April 8th of 2022, the Premier Level 5 is up approximately 11%. Now this includes paying all commissions, and it has had a max drawdown of only around 5%. While the S&P 500 is up around 28% with max drawdown of around 13.5%. So that is currently underperforming nominally, but still with superior risk-adjusted returns, because with 1/3 the drawdowns of the S&P, the returns are still better on a risk-adjusted basis. Now remember, outperforming isn't just about achieving higher percentage of returns. It's also about considering the amount of risk you're taking. Any expert in the field will emphasize the importance of risk-adjusted returns. To unlock the secrets of the Premier Level 5 trade system, I offer the Premier Level 5 Masterclass, where I teach every detail until my students can trade it on their own. At the moment, this program is not accepting any new participants. However, you can subscribe to my email list to receive early notifications about when the waiting list will open. This will give you a chance to secure your spot and qualify for learning about this system, as I'm limited in the amount of students that I can teach at one time. And to find out more information, use the link in the description. Now next is the safe wheel strategy. This strategy I give away for free. Every Monday morning at 7:15 a.m. Pacific time, I do a live stream and I trade the account live. I answer any and all questions about the system so I can help other people learn the system. And the easiest way to find the live stream is to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. So here are the results for the safe wheel for March 2024. Okay, now looking at the safe wheel account for March of 2024, the account started at $6,625 right in here. You can see it just kind of went up, stayed up throughout the month. Not a lot of volatility at all. 69.81. A couple $100 in volatility, not much, but let's do a little bit of math. See how the safe wheel did for March of 2024. So we started the account with 66.25. We ended at 68.77. So let's start there. 68.77 and 66.25 is where we started. So up $252 divided by 66.25. So up about 3.8%. That's a good month. A very good month for the safe wheel. So up 3.8% for the safe wheel for March of 2024. Finally, I trade my earnings edge system. This system is based on trading certain stocks coming into earnings. The goal is to turn a small account into a large account. Now, this system has some volatility, so I would start small with like $5,000. What I like about this trade structure is that it is long gamma and it creates asymmetry. In this case, asymmetry is kind of like hoping for a large move in the stock, either up or down. And the more it moves, the more profitable the trade becomes. In March, with the earnings edge, I didn't make any trades. Now, this system is set up to filter out bad trades, and since it was not earnings season, no trades were favorable to take. There's no sense in taking a lower probability trade just for the sake of trading. I started with a $5,000 account, and I look to make one trade a week when earnings trades are available. My goal is to make larger profits with smaller risk per trade. And since my trade system upgrade in October 2022, the results are a record of 20 wins, 19 losses, and 17 break-evens. So that's a win rate of approximately 50%, with the average win of $847 and the average loss of around $491. Since inception of the account, but I've been trading it and showing you the results since January 2022, my results are that I'm up approximately 116%. And this includes paying all the commissions. and slippage. So here are the results for the Earnings Edge account. Okay, looking at the Earnings Edge, this month in the Earnings Edge did not place any trades, so you can see the balance just stayed at 10,799. And for some reason now there's a $3 was added to the account. I'm not sure why, but it doesn't really matter. That'll all go away. But anyways, it's basically no trades were made in this account. So maybe there's some type of interest or something that was paid, but it's just like $3. There wasn't a trade made in this account for the month of March 2024. It was a break even because there were no trades placed. See the link in the description to find out more about each strategy. For those with a smaller trading account, I offer two options. The Safe Wheel, which you can follow for free, or you can get the Fast Track course. Also, the Earnings Edge system, which is designed with some risk and high reward. And if you're interested in learning how I trade options with a larger account and aspire to eventually upgrade to the Premier Level 5 system, there's more information by clicking the link in the description. So check the link in the description for more information on the Premier Level 5, the Earnings Edge, and the Safe Wheel.